I was playing some video games and then I checked my account at the same time and noticed that we made over $2,000 in profit in less than 11 days on a 10K live account, completely hands off, without my involvement. Because I don't trade manually anymore, and I started one of the expert advisors that we use on this 10K account. I want to show you right now that trade for me. So let me just put this controller down, and yep, the results have been really astonishing, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens when we started, what the current status of the account is, because today's Saturday, the market is closed. I can literally show you everything, and just to prove that expert advisors, aka trading robots, still work. Because a lot of people ask me, do expert advisors really work? How much profit can they generate on a daily basis or a monthly basis? Can they pass a profit challenge? Can they grow your personal account? Yes, they can. And that's why we use them. You know, I've been trading for over 5 years, and the first 3 years I was constantly losing the market. I lost a lot of money just because I was trading manually, and my emotion was always involved in my day-to-day trading, and it was disaster. So that's why I literally decided to automate everything, to pass my profit challenge, get funded with my desired capital, and manage my funded account afterwards. But the account that I want to show you right now is a live account. It's a personal account. I want to show you exactly what's going on in this crazy market that everybody talks about. You know, different strategies, different courses, different mentorships. You know, you've already experienced that. But I'm going to count to 3, and I'm going to take you to my phone to show you exactly how it's done. 2, 1. Yes, here we go. So I'm going to start with the main part, but before I show you anything, I want to show you that it's actually a live account. So as you can see right here, guys, it's live on my broker. 12K now because we made 2K. We have some open positions. The market is closed. There is no movement. And today's date is September 8th, as you can see on top of my phone. And this is the exciting part. If I go to last month, you guys see that we deposited 10K on August 28th, and today's date is September 8th, so almost 11 days, 12 days, less than 2 weeks, let's say. We made over 2K in profit. And it wasn't even a high risk. Like, you were saying, oh man, it's 20% and it's only 2 weeks, you're risking too much. Not really. I'm not risking too much, but the market was good, and I just decided to, you know, make more profit. Actually, they did that for me. I didn't decide anything. I just set it up properly, followed the instructions, and the rest was done by this expert advisor. So when you say expert advisor or trading robot, it means that you don't have to do anything yourself, right? So that's the point of using automated solutions. So that's the thing. The first trade was taken here, all the way down here, guys. So as you can see, the last trade was taken today on Euro Aussie, $24 in profit, but in total we made 2K, which was absolutely insane. And I literally recommend you guys to automate your trading journey and get funded with your desired capital if you want to pass a profit challenge, or if you already have capital and you want to grow your personal account, you can definitely do that as well. Super easy. You don't have to worry about anything. You know, you've already invested so much, and more importantly, so much time behind all these courses and mentorships that got you nowhere properly, right? The same thing happened to me. Don't worry, you are not alone, but it's still not too late to change the path and go towards automation. So if you guys have any question, feel free to ask